So does laser cause irritation to the skin? I would say we need to understand how lasers work. Lasers work by delivering light energy to the skin. The aim of using lasers in general would be to target specific pigmentation, water, or even blood vessels. Whenever you deliver energy to the skin, you do cause a little bit of stimulation as well as a slight irritation to the skin initially. The real question is whether it causes prolonged irritation to the skin. And we know that if we cause prolonged irritation to the skin, that might not actually be good for the skin, especially in patients with sensitive skin types. Lasers in general, when we divide them into the different types of lasers, they do tend to cause different levels of stimulation to the skin. For example, the ablative lasers or the fractional lasers do cause a little bit more irritation in the earlier parts post-treatment. For example, during the downtime of the treatment where you get a little bit of redness as well as flaking or swelling of the skin for up to about a week, but with a specific goal in mind. These are resurfacing lasers, and we do want to cause a little bit of inflammation to stimulate the production of collagen and elastin to stimulate healing of the skin. So this is good stimulation, and I wouldn't really call that concerned about longer term irritation to the skin. It's unlikely. Of course, it also depends on the kind of powers that are used during the laser treatment, and with a skilled practitioner or a skilled physician who is experienced using the lasers, it's unlikely that's going to happen. Most of the time, for our longer term patients who use lasers on a regular basis, we use non-ablative lasers. So these would include pigment lasers. These lasers are unlikely to cause longer term irritation to the skin. So long and short of it is that most lasers, if used correctly, are unlikely to cause your skin to be more sensitive, and most of the time the initial irritation or stimulation of the skin is usually helpful in achieving some of your skin goals. Most doctors would of course try to avoid irritating your skin too much. As a potential of irritating your skin, we would usually supplement the treatment with some sort of recovery treatment that would avoid longer term unwanted irritation to the skin.